I am San Banerjee and I'm co-founder and CEO of Adda.io, which is the community super app. See, once you buy an apartment, you pay 2 crore, 3 crore, right? That is one part of acquiring your home. After that comes the living experience there, right? So you want convenience, you want hassle-free living experience. Now, a resident wants to communicate with other neighbors. They want to find out how, if they have an issue in the apartment, how do they get it resolved? How do they find domestic help? How do they find, if they are a home entrepreneur, how to offer their services to the community, hassle-free guest invitation, so on and so forth. So these aspects is what we bring to them on an app. So we provide the resident experience app, Adda, where every owner or tenant has the Adda app on their mobile phone and they are hooked into all the discussions happening in the community. They can create a ticket for resolving any issue they have and the association's team gets it resolved. They can invite any guest in a hassle-free way. Our Adda gatekeeper works at the gate. And they are also able to view all their online bills. Like there are many things that a resident pays for, right, when living in a community. First being the maintenance payment. Second being their, if there's a piped gas, etc., they pay for that. They pay for booking amenities. Like today, if you look at a 1,000-unit community, there are awesome amenities available. You have clubhouse, you have tennis court, squash court, and things like that. So these communities, a resident wants to book, they can book it on the Adda app. Some of these are on payment, like there are guest apartments that some associations offer. They want to book that. Those bills can also be paid on Adda app. So this is how we make the residents' life delightful in living in these communities. On the other hand, there is the association or the developer, whoever is managing the community. We provide them a complete ERP and visitor management system so that they are able to manage all the activities on our platform, on the Adda ERP platform. So this is how we are integrating all the online requirements in a community after people have started living there. There are many challenges, but I only want to highlight one of them. See, today the developers are building very sophisticated apartment buildings, villa communities, right? And they are using the latest technology and they are bringing in the best of amenities. After people start living there, managing all these things requires A, skilled manpower, B, it requires systems and technologies, right? So regardless of whether the developer is maintaining or the association is maintaining, at the end of the day, they have to manage public money worth of 60 lakh per month if you look at a 1,000-unit community. A 1,000-unit community will typically collect from owners the maintenance fee worth 60 lakh per month. Now that translates to 7.2 crore per year. So please imagine that you are a treasurer in one such community. You are an owner. You are not a chartered accountant. You're probably an engineer, you're probably a doctor, right? But you don't have accounting background, but you have been nominated as a treasurer. And every year you are answerable for the 7.2 crore of the money that is being contributed by all the owners. You have to answer how it was spent, how much amount of it went to the sinking fund, etc., and things like that, right? Now, this is one big aspect, which is a big pain point for many associations where suppose they get a tax notice, they do not know how to respond to it because the bookkeeping, accounting has not been within their control. They have outsourced it to some accounting company, which has moved year on year. The treasurer also changes year on year, right? So this is a large brewing problem in many communities where they lose money due to lack of visibility into this big amount that has to be managed every year. So here our Adda accounting, which is part of ERP, comes to help because we provide a complete accounting package online tailored for association accounting. And this is trusted by hundreds of society accountants and auditors, right? And it comes at a cost of what we say, one cutting chai per month per unit, So if you can treat every owner one cutting chai per month, you can afford Adda. So this is one big way that we believe that every association deserves Adda because the treasurer deserves a peaceful night of sleep. So that's one challenge I would like to highlight. So this is a very exciting area. And I was hearing somebody say that AI is like become dhania when you buy sabzi. Ke sab kuch ke saath dhania dal do. So we honestly try to avoid that. And we try to see what part of AI will really make the living experience simple, right? So I'll give you an example. My mother-in-law speaks Tamil, right? She does not speak English, Hindi. Now, if she sees that something is wrong at home, okay, let's say the kitchen tap is dripping, right? She wants to inform our association. She cannot go on our app because it is to be written in English, right? You usually go to an app and you type in English, things like that. Typically, the person who is at home for the longest are often the parents. Parents who may not be very conversant with English, right? Elderly parents. So we have built an AI which is very simple voice translation and transcription. So she simply speaks in Tamil what is going wrong. It gets translated to English as a help desk ticket and it gets informed to the association. Even the audio file is recorded so that they can listen to the original one. This has been very delightful to our residents. It's a very simple use of AI, I would say, but it is a right use of AI. So we are trying to understand with our finger on the pulse of the residents that what are the truly useful implementation of AI that we can do in our app. There are more such delightful AI implementations that are coming soon.